To continue, inshallah, the second right that we mentioned. So the first one were the financial rights. The second right was the right of companionship. And that is basically when a man has finished everything that he does during the day, like for example his work, his other school initiatives, whatever, he has to go back to the home of his wife. And we said whether the man is monogamous or polygamous, the wife has a right to one in every 4 nights if he works during the day, and vice versa, if he works during the night, then she'll have 1 out of every 4 days. And this is based on the fatwa that was given by 𝗪𝗁𝗏 and then adopted by the likes of 𝗪𝗶𝗸𝗲 ibn Taymiyyah, and this is also the standard position of the Hanabila as well. Once every 4 nights, and this is basically him going to her home and spending time with her after basically all is done during the day. The third right was the right of conjugal relations, and that was specifically intercourse. So that is also a right that is given. And we mentioned that the bare minimum legally speaking, shar'an, we mentioned was beyond which she can take him to the Islamic court, the Islamic judge, the imam, where he would then force her to have sexual intercourse with his wife, we said was once every 4 months. But in normative circumstances, we said that the dominant position, especially of the contemporary ulama, is that it is done bil ma'ruf, which means based on relative need. Okay? And what is reasonable and capable for the man to accommodate as well. So again, this is something that is based on relative need and relative ability on both sides, because the Quran and the Sunnah have not mentioned any specific frequency or minimum in this aspect. So we naturally revert back to the customs and the relative capability as well.